Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a full face makeup tutorial detailed. It is long lasting and glowy makeup look, and it's been long. I actually did my makeup here, so I was like, okay, I'll do this using the new makeup products that I bought, which I mentioned in the new makeup products haul. So if you've not watched that video, please go and watch it. So I'm actually starting by prepping my face, and also I have a detailed video on how to prep your skin before makeup, so please do well to check it out as well. So I started by using the Adventure Sweat and Oil Barrier, yes, to prevent sweat and those of us that have oily skin. So after applying it, it just leaves a glow and seals up the pores. Next, I'm using my vitamin C serum, yes, to also moisturize my face as well. So I'm just going to dab this in. So I'm just going to allow this to sit for some time before applying the next product. Next, I'm using Milk of Magnesia, sugar-free and crumb-free. I usually apply this on my T-zones because those are the places that are oil prone, so it just helps to control oil and shine as well. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. So next, I'm going to be using my liquid highlighter. Like I said, I'm going to be creating a glowy makeup look today. Yes, so I'm applying my liquid highlighter to my cheeks, to my jaw, my forehead, and my nose as well. Okay, I'm done with applying the liquid highlighter. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation from V Beauty Pro Mate Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation, Perfect Finish, SPF 30. This is actually my first time using this foundation, and it says this is a long wear foundation that gives you a full coverage and oil-free look. And I really love the packaging. It came in a tube form, and it's also, you know, very affordable too, and it's a Nigerian brand. And I'm going to be using my beauty blender to just push it in. Now look at that coverage. I love this foundation. You can see how easy it is for it to just blend in. I love it. Now you can see the difference. I love this foundation a lot. So I'm just going to blend it in completely. Blending is key, and I will just take it down to my neck as well. Now this is beautiful, spots the glow. Next, I'm going to be using my Green Tea Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix makeup setting spray, long lasting and moisturizing, to just set the foundation, and I will allow it to sit for some time, then use my beauty blender to push it in. I love this foundation a lot, and I'm going to get more shades to work with for my clients. Yes. Next is highlighting, and I'm using the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn for highlighting. I have a detailed tutorial video on contouring and highlighting, so please do well to go check it out. So I'm just highlighting under my eyes, my nose ridge, my jaw, and my forehead. So we just go in with my beauty blender and blend everything in very well. So I'm just going to keep blending until I'm satisfied. Okay, so this looks good, as you can see. Okay, so for the contouring, I'm going to be using Flawless Ivy Foundation in the shade Nutmeg 607. I'll be doing a creamy contouring today. It's actually been a long time I did creamy contouring. I'm most of the time used to powder contouring. So I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush to blend it, and I like the effect that it gives. I'm going to be blending in properly, and this looks really good. You can see how snatched my nose is looking. I always love to use this brush to finish it up. This is beautiful. Next, I'm using my Blossom full coverage high definition powder palette. I'm using my powder shades to set under my eyes. Like I said, this is a long-lasting makeup look. I'm setting all the areas where I highlighted. So I'm going to be setting the contour as well. I'm using a dark powder shade to set the contour. I'm also going to be setting my nose too. You can see how snatched it's looking. And then I'm applying my blush from my eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm using the Avour Professional 24 Hours Hold and Loose powder. It's the HD setting powder. I'm using it to bake. So it's eyebrow time and it needs a lot of concentration. I'm using my spoolie to brush into shape, and also you need to get your eyebrows into shape by grooming them, and also the pencil needs to be very sharp. If it is not sharp, your eyebrows will come out looking blur. And I have a detailed tutorial video on eyebrow, that's eyebrow tutorial. Okay, and in one of my previous videos someone said she want me to do a video so she can see how I achieve my eyebrows. So this is it. So after drawing, I'm just going to like use the spoolie to brush it into shape. I don't like my eyebrows looking too heavy. So I just do a skeletal work, as you can see, on the out frames, and then inside I just fill it using strokes, and then I use the spoolie to brush it in. So I'm using the concealer now. I'm using the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean it up. I'm just going to apply the concealer carefully, following the structure that I have created, then using one of my Real Techniques brushes to blend it properly. I'm just going to do the same thing for the other eye. You have to be very careful here so you don't ruin your efforts. Yes. Then I will just clean the up as well. This looks good. I'm happy. Okay, so that is it. That is it for the eyebrows. Beautiful. Do you like? Let me know in the comment section. It's eyeshadow time, and I'm using the Nubian 2 Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and the transition color, it's Morocco from the palette. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the other eye, and I'm using my eyeshadow primer for my cut crease. I'm going to be using the color Bakwa from my Juvia's Place palette, which is the Warriors palette. And it's gold color. I like gold a lot, yes. From my Color Mates eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using that dark color to intensify the side of my eyes, to give it some sort of, smoky look. Next, I'm using my Huda Beauty's eyeliner to line in my eyes. I'm going to open up the side of my eyes using the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and then I'm going to blend it out using my blending brush. I'm dusting off the setting powder now using my Real Techniques brush. It's lipstick time. I'm using my classic lipstick. We're lining my lips now using a lip brush to apply the hot chocolate lipstick. For the inner lips, I will be using Beyond Beauty's Nude lip gloss, the one that I got. I love the lip gloss a lot. It just gives it this natural look. The lip gloss that I will be using is from Classmakeup Shine Sensational Want It Watermelon 204 Chillers lip gloss. It's so beautiful. I'm just going to finish up by applying my powder shade from my Blossom HD powder palette. We'll sweep through my eyebrows to give it a good finishing. Blush from my Juvia's Place palette. Setting spray, we'll push it in with my beauty blender. Beautiful highlighter. Now look at that glow. Beautiful. We'll apply to my nose as well. Nice. Open up my tear duct with the highlighter. Mascara from Nars. Beautiful. I love it. Start leaving me your comments. And that's the hair wax to lay my edges. Got to be blast spray for extra hold. Just to dress up my hair. I hope you enjoyed watching. I love this look a lot. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. I love this look. Let me know your favorite part of this look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.